Setting up YouTube TV on Chromecast is easy and lets you stream live TV, sports, and recordings directly to your TV from your phone or computer. Here's how to get started. First, plug your Chromecast into your TV's HDMI port and connect it to your Wi-Fi network. Make sure your phone or computer is connected to the same Wi-Fi. This is required for casting. Next, open the YouTube TV app on your phone or tablet. If you're on a computer, go to tv.youtube.com in the Chrome browser. Start playing any video, live or recorded. Look for the cast icon in the top right corner of the screen. Tap it, and a list of available devices will appear. Select your Chromecast device. The video will instantly start playing on your TV. You can now use your phone as a remote, adjust volume, switch channels, browse the guide, or open your library without interrupting playback. If the cast icon doesn't appear, restart your Chromecast, your phone, or your router. Also, make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are turned on. YouTube TV also works on Chromecast with Google TV. Simply install the native YouTube TV app from the Google Play Store. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.